First word. Better. Better means behtar. Let's see one example. Girls are better cook. लड़कियां बेहतर कुक होती हैं. Second word. Belong. Belong means संबंधित. Let's see one example. Kangaroo belongs to Australia. कंगारू ऑस्ट्रेलिया से संबंधित हैं. Third word. Area. Area means क्षेत्र. Let's see one example. That area is expensive. वह क्षेत्र महंगा है. Fourth word. School. School means school. Let's see one example. We study in school. हम स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. Fifth word. Although. Although means हालांकि. Let's see one example. Although he is my brother, I do not like him. हालांकि वह मेरा भाई है, मुझे वो पसंद नहीं है. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.